It is evident that we are dealing with real bodies, which cannot be discarded as if they were dolls. These are bodies that show that history must change, that we have to investigate, that we have to recognize that for more than 1,000 years there was an unknown presence of beings whose origin has yet to be determined. Could they be aliens? Yes, they could be. Or it could be a new species. Time and research will determine it. Let's continue with this investigation. Here we have the bodies, here is Santiago, here is Sebastian, and here we have the opinion of Dr. Anikama. For example, this head that we have seen that would look human, but also do you notice any other characteristics? According to the tomography, with the bodies present, we see that these skulls are a little more elongated than those normally seen in the tomography. I would like you, colleague Ricardo, for you to watch this segment. At this moment I didn't put on the glasses, but I have seen them with a magnifying glass. Here you can see the fingerprints, and they are transversal, just like the Mummy Maria. Fingerprints don't look like human fingerprints. They can be seen clearly in the photos. They are transverse, parallel, and longitudinal fingerprints of the finger. It is a unique thing. What catches my attention the most is the length of the fingers, which is definitely different from what humans can present. Could you say, doctor, these feet are very strange, not only because they have 3 toes, but because almost half of them are soles and the other half are fingers, right? Practically 50-50. That's right, the proportion is different exactly. And as far as I am concerned, in the part of the head and neck, we see the ubiquity of the eyes, which is extremely different, more or less 45 degrees of implantation in relation to the implantation of the external acanthus with the external acanthus, extremely oblique. And one nostril is very small, a little wide even, similar to primates, you could say. If we have found DNA from 2 apes incorporated into Maria's DNA, why couldn't it have a similar proportion, right, doctor? Simply put, when the paleogenetic course is carried out, these beings will also surprise us. I believe that with this, we cover our part here in Lima. It has been quite a technical and professional deployment, and the truth is that we are very satisfied from here to have been able to contribute this. We invite the scientists of the world, the professors, the professionals from different universities to take a little more interest to know this. Don't pay attention, unfortunately, to my colleagues in the press who are following the script of the Ministry of Culture. I don't know what dolls those from the Ministry of Culture can invent now to try to compare them with these extraordinary beings. This is a unique finding in history, and it shows us that we have had coexistence with other species that do not correspond to human evolution. Other species that are going to make us change our paradigm, and please, simply look for the information and you will find it. Thank you very much from here. The live streaming of analysis of the dried bodies of Nazca became a historical fact, which confirmed once again that these specimens are complex biological entities which coexisted with human beings hundreds of years ago, and that they are here today waiting for an answer.